How to hide notes from someone on Instagram. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can hide notes from someone on Instagram. Well, first things first, you can open up Instagram and head into the notes section where you'll see the notes. Now here what you can do is, if you want to hide your notes from someone, you have different options. What you can do is, now if you're trying to upload the notes here, now you can see I can upload the note, but you can see there is no direct privacy option. Now what you'll have to do is you can either restrict that particular user, you can tap and hold on that user, you can head into their profile and you can proceed to restrict them. For example, here tap on three dots and you can see restrict option, which once you restrict them, your online status, activity status, your post stories won't be shown directly to them. Similarly, the other option is you can proceed to block them as well. So that's the way that you can easily hide notes on Instagram. There is no any direct feature to hide notes. You'll have to either restrict them or you'll have to block them. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.